Good evening. Tonight we're diving into the Pi network, a crypto project that promises you can mine coins by tapping your phone once a day. Launched in 2019, Pi's pitch is simple. Anyone, anywhere, can join. No expensive hardware, no technical know-how, just an app and a daily tap. Millions have joined, calling themselves pioneers, nurturing the hope that their digital coins will one day be worth something. But for years, Pi has existed in an enclosed mainnet, meaning your coins are stuck in the app, untradeable, like Chuck E. Cheese tokens for a restaurant that never opens. The appeal? The dream of being early to the next Bitcoin. The reality? Years of waiting, tapping, and inviting friends, all for a shot at future value. The project's genius is its simplicity and viral growth. Invite friends, build security circles, and watch your balance grow. But the big question has always been, when will Pi actually go live? Now, in early 2026, the Pi team has finally announced some real updates. Is this the breakthrough everyone's been waiting for, or just another delay? Pi's community is massive, tens of millions strong, driven by hope, patience, and a daily ritual. The project has mastered hype, but the payoff remains elusive. With new announcements, the community is buzzing again. Will this finally be the moment Pi delivers on its promise? Or is it just another round of waiting? With Pi, you never really know. After years of silence, the Pi core team has surfaced with two big updates. First, a mandatory node upgrade. All Pi node operators must update to version 19.6 by February 12, 2026, or be kicked off the network. Second, KYC validator rewards are finally coming. Volunteers who've been verifying user identities for free will start getting paid in Pi, with payouts expected as early as March. These moves are more than technical tweaks. They're signs the network is gearing up for something bigger. The node upgrade is essential groundwork for a secure, scalable mainnet. Paying validators is a long overdue nod to the community's unpaid labor. Together, these updates show the core team knows it can't run on hype and free work forever. It's a small but vital step toward making Pi a real digital economy. Let's talk about this node upgrade, because it's actually huge. Pi nodes are the backbone of the network, run by dedicated users on their computers. The upgrade to version 19.6 isn't just a bug fix. It's a critical step toward a new protocol, version 23, needed for security and performance. If node operators don't upgrade, they're out. No rewards, no participation. This upgrade brings in features inspired by established blockchains like Stellar, and even hints at advanced privacy tech like zero-knowledge proofs. For a network with millions of users, these upgrades are essential for privacy, scalability, and legitimacy. It's not flashy, but it's real technical progress, something you can't fake. For years, Pi's progress was all talk. Now it's code and infrastructure. This is the foundation for a real open mainnet. It's the unglamorous work that could finally make Pi more than just a tapping game. The project's credibility depends on it. The Pi network now boasts over 16 million mainnet pioneers, users who've passed KYC and migrated their coins. That's a user base bigger than many countries, all holding a currency they can't yet spend. This scale is both Pi's biggest asset and its toughest challenge. If Pi ever launches a marketplace, it'll have millions of ready customers. But managing updates, transactions, and support for this many people is a logistical nightmare. The network's infrastructure is racing to keep up, borrowing ideas from established protocols like Stellar. Pi isn't just building a coin, it's trying to build a global financial network with the user base already in place. Every new user raises the stakes and the pressure on the core team. The numbers are impressive, but they come with massive responsibility. The world is watching to see if Pi can deliver. The latest updates have split the Pi community in two. True believers see the node upgrade and validator rewards as proof that the open mainnet is finally near. They're celebrating, convinced the wait is almost over. But a growing group of frustrated users sees these moves as too little, too late. After 7 years of tapping, patience is running thin. The backlash was clear when the core team tried to celebrate Moderator Appreciation Day. Users demanded real progress, not empty gestures. The community's mood swings between hope and anger, loyalty and disappointment. Every announcement is a gamble. Will it restore faith or fuel more skepticism? The core team is walking a tightrope, trying to keep millions engaged while delivering overdue results. The tension is real, and the stakes have never been higher. For some, these updates reignite hope. For others, it's just more waiting. To understand the frustration, look at Pi's timeline. Launched in 2019, Pi promised easy crypto mining for all. Years passed before the enclosed mainnet let users migrate coins, still locked away from the real world. In 2025, the native Pi token launched, but with a catch: you still couldn't trade it. Fast forward to 2026, after a failed attempt at celebrating moderators, the core team finally announced the node upgrade and validator rewards. 7 years is an eternity in crypto. Early adopters have watched other projects launch and thrive while Pi remains in limbo. Every milestone brings relief and more impatience. The project's history is defined by waiting, and the community's patience is wearing thin. Each new update is met with both hope and skepticism. Despite the hype, major problems remain. The biggest complaint? The painfully slow KYC process. Users wait months or years for approval, with no clear answers. Without KYC, you can't migrate your Pi to the mainnet, leaving many stuck in limbo. The core team claims progress, but for those still waiting, it's little comfort. Migration delays and a lack of transparency fuel frustration. 7 years in, the network still isn't open. Other crypto projects have launched and matured in a fraction of the time. Many feel their loyalty has been taken for granted. Until KYC and migration are fixed for everyone, trust in Pi will remain shaky. Technical upgrades mean little if the core user experience is broken. Let's talk about what everyone cares about: money. As of February 2026, the Pi token trades at just 14 cents, after hitting record lows. Most users can't even sell their coins. The price is set by a tiny fraction of tokens on exchanges. Critics call Pi a pyramid scheme, pointing to endless delays, low prices, and reliance on unpaid volunteers. The recent Moderator Appreciation Day only highlighted the project's dependence on free labor. For many, the dream of Pi turning into real value feels more distant than ever. True believers say the price doesn't matter until the open mainnet. But right now, the numbers tell a story of struggle and skepticism. So, what's the verdict on Pi Network? After 7 years, it's still a mystery. Part potential revolution, part cautionary tale. The latest updates show real technical progress and long overdue recognition for community contributors. For believers, this is the moment they've waited for, a sign that Pi might finally deliver. For skeptics, it's just more stalling while the token price languishes and KYC remains a mess. Newcomers face a project with a huge user base, but also years of baggage and division. The get-in-early window is long gone. The upside is still possible, but so is the risk of wasting years on a project that never launches. Pi remains one of crypto's most fascinating experiments. 16 million users strong but still unproven. Its global reach can't be ignored, but its future is uncertain. Can Pi turn hype into a real, open economy? Until then, millions will keep watching, waiting, and tapping, just in case. The story isn't over yet.